Now I'll tell you as to what form can you imagine to experience the nature. You can experience the nature by visualizing the earth at earth chakra, the root chakra, water at your water chakra, Agni, the fire at your fire chakra, Vayu, the air at your chest, and then at throat you can visualize the sky. You can not only visualize these forms but can also visualize or imagine the feelings towards those elements. That is, when you have water, you feel like chill, and probably you can imagine the river, you can imagine ocean, anything in the water format you can imagine. And beyond this, you can even imagine when it comes to Om Prakriti Guru Devaya Namaha, when it comes to the nature, the teacher, you can imagine the light which is there here. This light you can imagine as the nature as teacher, and the nature teacher's form is light, which is the Indian light or the candle light, like this. This is the form you can imagine for your nature, the teacher, and go forward with your spiritual practices. All the best.